Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, certainly good news. The heaviest of the rain now has pushed offshore. We take another look at the Doppler radar, and as we said earlier, what it can do is sort of leave a footprint as to where the heaviest of the rain has fallen and assign certain colors to represent precipitation amounts. It's these narrow strips of red which indicate where the torrential rains occurred. Now, it rained generously north and south of this red area, but this is where the highest totals were realized. In fact, we can get in a little closer, and most of these dark strips of red indicating anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain. You can see how it extends through parts of Kent and Washington County, Cranston, and parts of the Providence metro area with some flooding. And the problem is that all of this falling within a 90-minute period and producing some of that flash flooding. But better in Providence right now, mostly cloudy, a little partial sun trying to sneak through. Still warm and muggy, 77 degrees, dew point quite high, indicating a lot of tropical moisture, a lot of humidity still in the air. Most areas now mid and upper 70s with extra clouds, but notice off to our north and west skies have cleared, so some brightening. So our northwestern suburbs will see a little bit of sunshine before it sets at around 7:30 this evening, as most of the rain now pulling offshore and drier air in upstate New York and northern New England starts to filter down. So each hour will continue with improving weather. Futurecast shows this well. Starting off this evening, showing the rain continuing to push offshore. In fact, most of it's long gone right now. Overnight tonight, because the humidity is so high, some patchy fog that'll spill over into early tomorrow morning at around 7 a.m. That will burn off to sunshine, or at least partly sunny skies. A much better day tomorrow than what we had today, and it should be a little warmer too. By 5 o'clock in the evening, some sunshine, and then by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, a few patchy clouds, but otherwise quiet. So improving weather this evening with some partial clearing, temperatures dropping to the upper 60s by midnight. Keep in mind though, midnight and beyond, some areas of locally dense fog will form. So early in the morning at sunrise, some fog, but that does burn off to partly sunny skies, 71 to 78 the morning range in temperature, and then during the afternoon, not bad, a little warmer, partly sunny skies, upper 70s to low 80s for daytime highs. The beaches have fog in the morning, or at least early morning, becoming partly to mostly sunny, air temperature 75. High surf advisory continues, high rip current risk continues as well due to Hurricane Leslie. We'll talk about that in about 10 seconds. Visibility poor in the bay, but improving late morning. Winds northeast turning southeast at light speeds at 10 knots. 1 to 2 foot waves, but 3 to 5 feet offshore. Leslie, now a hurricane, winds of 75. Here is southern New England. Here's a computer projection of some of the wave heights in and around the storm. No surprise, mountainous waves near the center of the storm. I show you this because some of this wave energy can propagate hundreds of miles towards the east coast and towards New England, and that is why we have a high surf advisory until further notice as the storm tracks off to the north and eventually northeast, bending away from southern New England, but close enough to be producing some of the large waves and surf over the next several days and on into the upcoming weekend. 7-day outlook shows a decent day tomorrow, even Friday not bad, despite the chance of a late afternoon thunderstorm, partly sunny and warm. Next chance of rain appears to be Saturday night into at least Sunday morning. Temperatures over the weekend in the upper 70s to low 80s. So Leslie stays offshore, but it's close enough for big waves offshore and very heavy surf at area beaches with each passing day.
Okay, thanks, Tony. We have